Hello. Today we are going to discuss this acid base strength basic concepts. How the acid and base strength is representing, what are the factors we are going to discuss now. The acid strength is represented by H plus concentration, pH as well Ka and pKa. Basic strength is represented by Kb and pKb. Of course, OH minus and POH also is there, that is similar to H plus and pH. Now, what is Ka? K is the acid dissociation constant. pKa is simply the log of Ka value, negative logarithm of Ka value. See the relation pKa equal to minus log Ka. Similarly, Kb is the base dissociation constant, while pKb is the negative logarithm of Kb. So pKb equal to minus log Kb. So these acid and base dissociation constants are usually expressed in terms of moles per liter. That means molarity. See, in case of H plus and pH, the relation is pH equal minus logarithm of H plus concentration. You can take one example. See, HCl I am taking. The concentration of HCl is 0.1. Okay. So, HCl I am taking, that HCl is dissociated into H plus plus Cl minus. It is a strong acid. Suppose if I am taking 0.1 mole HCl, 1 molarity HCl means obviously H plus concentration also 0.1, Cl minus concentration also 0.1. Okay. So it will be completely dissociation into H plus and Cl minus, right? So in HCl, H plus concentration is 0.1. That means I can write 10 power minus 1 also. If you put this value, pH equal minus logarithm 10 power minus 1 H plus concentration. Then the formula is there, pH equal to minus log 10 power minus 1. So this minus 1 is come to here. What is the formula here? Log a to the power of n equal to log a to the power of n equal to n log a. Okay, so this power will come front. So here minus 1 is there, already it's minus, minus into minus plus. So finally our pH value is 1. Now similar example I am taking water. In case of water, H plus concentration is 10 power minus 7. See, compared to acid, this is a very low 10 power minus 7 value. Okay, then apply the pH formula, minus log 10 power minus 7. Then according to this formula, the pH is 7. Now, HCl and water, where the pH value is higher, water pH value is higher. Okay, so that means pH value is higher means acidic strength is less. Acidic strength is less. pH value low means acidic strength is higher. At the same time, H plus value higher, H plus value higher means acidic strength is higher. Acidic H plus value low means acidic strength is low. So acidic strength is depends on directly H plus concentration. If you observe the pH value, pH is quite opposite. Okay. So similarly, if Ka is higher means pKa will be lower. Okay. So how this Ka is coming? What is this Ka? See, HCl equal HCl after dissociating, it is giving H plus and Cl minus. Ka means what? Acid dissociation constant. Means how many ions or forming the product of these ions upon whatever you are taking the reactant. This ratio is higher whenever completely dissociated. Take it, suppose example I am taking here 100 molecules, right? Out of 100 molecules, 99 dissociated. 99 dissociated, only one HCl is remained. So how many H plus ions? 99 H plus ions, 99 Cl minus ions. So my answer is 99 into 99 by 1. So here Ka value is maximum. Suppose case 2, only 10 dissociated, only 10 dissociated, right? So 10 into 10 upon how many are there? 90 is there. 90. So just if you cut it, 0, 0, 10 by 9 means obviously just only 1. Ka value is very less if it is dissociated only 10. So partially dissociating, that is called weak acid. Okay. So if maximum dissociating, the Ka value is maximum. Less dissociation is there, Ka value is less. So finally conclusion is, if Ka is maximum means acidic strength is maximum. Okay. In that case, pK, what about pKa? If pK is maximum means acidic strength will be less. Just you compare with H plus and pH. H plus ज़्यादा है तो acidic strength ज़्यादा है, pH ज़्यादा है तो acidic strength कम है. Like that, if Ka is more, acidic strength is more. pKa is more, acidic strength is less. Same concept you can apply for base also, Kb. Now suppose I given one compound NH2, Kb, pKb, Kb and pKb, and Ka and pKa. So what is the relation here? If Kb is increasing means basic strength is increasing, right? pKb increasing means basic strength decreasing. For this aniline, it is a base, right? Ka increasing, Ka increasing means Kb, the basic strength is decreasing. Basic strength is decreasing. pKa increasing means basic strength increasing, because it is acid. For acid, for base, Ka is increasing means obviously acidic nature increasing. For base के लिए acidic strength increasing means indirectly basic strength is decreasing, right? So pKa increasing means of course basic strength is increasing for base. For acid है तो decreases. Now we can see some examples. Here phenol is there. The first value is pKa value. This one is Ka value. Ka is directly proportional to H plus concentration, right? If Ka increasing means acidic strength also increasing. See the values here. What is phenol? This one. In the phenol, benzene OH. Suppose I am keeping the methyl here ortho position, then meta position, then para position. See, in case of ortho position, pK, first we observe that Ka. Ka is 0.63, 0.98, 0.67. 0.63, 0.98 means which is the highest, more acidic strength? Metamethyl phenol is higher acidic than ortho and para. OH, methyl, see here these effects are plus inductive plus hyperconjugation. Here only plus inductive. Here plus inductive plus hyperconjugation. Hyperconjugation equal to plus mesomeric effect. Plus mesomeric effect. So acidic strength is inversely proportional to plus I plus M plus hyperconjugation. Inversely proportional. So here mesomeric effect type hyperconjugation is there means it is least. This is also least. So among these three, this is the better. Only an inductive effect is there. Okay. Now here methyl is there. Of course, near methyl is there. Inductive effect up to second and third carbon stronger, fourth carbon least. That's why it is very low. It is low. Comparatively, it is something better. It is better. Okay. So now our concept is actually Ka and pKa, we had to compare that. So this one is higher. Indirectly, whenever Ka is higher means acidic strength is higher. Now you observe that pKa value. If you see the pKa value 10.2, 10.0, 10.14. So 10.2 higher value is there means which one? pKa. I am talking about pKa. If pKa higher is there means Ka will be low. Ka will be low means acidic strength is low. You have to understand this. Because in the questions they will give pKa values, then you will be confused. pKa means kya karna hai? If pKa is increasing means Ka will be decreased. If Ka decreasing means acidic strength is decreasing. 10.2 highest value, that's why lowest acidic strength for orthomethyl phenol. Right? Similar examples you can observe. Now same benzoic acid. Benzoic acid means this is the benzoic acid. Okay, here SIR is there or ortho effect is there. Due to ortho effect we know that orthomethyl benzoic acid is higher. So you can see here these all values are pKa value. Here Ka value not given, only pKa. Now pKa value increasing means acidic strength is decreasing. Now here see in case of methyl which is the higher value, this para position higher value. Higher value means acidic strength is less. Which is the lowest value, this ortho position. So iska acidic strength higher. Acidic strength is higher. Why it is higher? We know that ortho effect due to this repulsions. कभी भी benzoic ortho position में कोई substance है तो that benzoic acid has higher acidic strength comparatively meta and para. You can see in all cases 3.2 lowest, yeah, almost here same, again lowest. Okay, but here due to this NH2 case it is a specific case, you have to remember this, and remaining to 99% ortho is least. Yes. Next, if we talk about aniline, aniline के लिए क्या करना है एक्चुअली, वो Kb देना था, Kb and Pkb values, but he given here also only Ka and Pka values given. Ka and Pka में he given that only pKa value. These all are pKa values. So already we discussed pKa increasing means basic strength increasing. Basic strength is increasing. Acidic strength कम होगा, basic strength increase होगा. ठीक है? Basic strength increase होगा. Now, so first of all aniline. Aniline structure is this one. Benzene NH2. अभी बेंजीन NH2 में इसमें भी ओ मिथाइल, राइट, मिथाइल, इसमें भी आर्थो इफेक्ट इज देयर. Artho effect means due to the repulsions, there is no proper resonance. This artho effect also known as SIR, steric inhibition in resonance. Steric inhibition in resonance, right? I explained this SIR effect in the next videos. Now see what we are talking about. PKAB. Yes, so pKa is increasing means KB decreasing. Okay, pKa increasing means KB decreasing. KB decreasing, right? So basic strength should be pKa higher value means KB is less, basic strength also less. pKb higher means KB is less, sorry here. So basic strength is, right, wait, sorry. So what we are talking, KB and pKb, and this, that's why this is very important, more confusing topic. See, for KB, for bases, KB increasing means basic strength is increasing. pKb increasing means basic strength decreasing. This is clear? KB increasing means basic strength increasing. pKb increasing means basic strength decreasing. But here there is no KB and pKb. Here Ka and pKa values are there. In that case, pKa increasing means basic strength increasing. Okay, starting I told same. Okay, there is no change in that, right? Now you see here all pKa values are there. Wherever the higher value is there, suppose this one 5.12 is there, that means basic strength is more, 4.39, 4. This is the basic strength is less. Why it is less? This is SIR effect. In case of benzoic acid, due to ortho effect, acidic strength is increases. But in case of basic strength of aniline, due to SIR effect, basic strength is decreasing. Okay, that SIR effect is applicable for only ortho position. Okay, big bulky group is there, then obviously least basic nature. You can see here, highest means highest, lowest means lowest, like that. So now you understood that what is Ka, pKa, Kb and pKb. Now here a few examples. Nitrogen is there. This nitrogen is attached to tertiary butyl. Here normal carbons, this is having only 5.23, it has 7.1. So this basic strength is higher than this. Okay, now see, minus 0.27 means it is not at all base, it is act like acid. माइनस में है मतलब बेसिक स्ट्रेंथ माइनस में है मतलब that is acidic strength is there. Okay, so in case of this one is a secondary amine, is a base. Okay, so this video main purpose is you have to know that Ka, pKa, Kb and pKb. If you understood this all four concepts, that is enough. The purpose of this video is fulfilled. Done.